In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to install Geo POS, that's point of sale, billing and stock manager application script. To purchase this script, just come to Quotations, then you get the script. This script just costs $47. Just to get it, you will go to add to carts, then you pay with the necessary payment method. So after purchasing the script, just go straight to your cPanel, your file manager from your cPanel, then to your Sublime, because I'm using Sublime for this testing purposes. So this is Sublime I'm using. I click on it. As you can see, I've already uploaded my zip file. That's my script I bought. Then I right click on it to extract. I click on extract files. Then next I close this. After that, I open it. I open the file I just extracted, select all, and I'm moving it to the root folder and click move files. Then next I click on up one level. So I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Then next I go back to my cPanel to create my database. So I go to databases, then next I give my database a name. Let me name it as this, create database. Next I click on go back. It has been created successfully. After creating my database, then I'm going to create the user. Let me name my user as yes. Then create user. After creating my user, I click on go back again to add my user to my database. So here I will make sure I select the one I just created. Where is it? Then I click on add. I give up privileges, then scroll down. After giving up privileges, scroll down to make changes. I have successfully created my database and uploaded my script to my cPanel. So I go to my Sublime now. Enter. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Use link in the description to hire me to help you install the script. So next I click on next. I scroll down, next, because all is well. Here I select my local host, my database name easy. So let me go back to my domain. Yes, I want to copy my domain username, database username, sorry. Copy. So after that, let me come back here, database username, database name. So that's my database name. Next, my login admin, that's email. Let me say this is my email. Don't forget these credentials. Then I scroll down, I fill this place. After filling it, then I click on finish. So after that, don't forget to delete your install directory. So let me go back to my file manager, my install directory. Here is it. I delete it. Delete. So now let me now go back there. So I've deleted my install directory. So I'll click on go to your login page. Next, I log in with my necessary credentials. I click on login. So I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, here is my dashboard, sales, stock, CRM. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels, and also use link in description to hire me to help me install the script. And if this video is helpful, please use link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you for watching. Bye.